front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by launching two apps you wish to use in this view in the background. In my case, Play Store and Chrome. When you're ready, access background apps and decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Click on the icon of it available at the top. Select split screen from this pop-up and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you want to resize your apps, hold this line in the middle and drag it. If you want to exit split screen view, use the same line and this time drag it all the way up or all the way down. Then hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!